Lucifer, guess what we're doing? We're going to London to plan a crime. Are you going to be okay on your own? Or do you want to commit a crime with us? It's just gone 1 o'clock in the morning, and me and Vin and Rachel going to London to plan a car chase. And hopefully not get arrested. Okay, we just got to London. It's 3:45 in the morning, and we're in central London, just the wrong side of the river. I guess you would call it, I don't know. And basically we found some warehouses. It's in the screenplay that I'm writing. The guy's going to rob one of these warehouses, and we've just gone into one of them, but there's a security guard, and so we scarpered. But so we found the place that we're going to rob, but not really in the story. And now we're planning the getaway. So we're going to go down here, head towards Tower Bridge, and go and crash into Buckingham Palace.
Are you going to floor it?
Background fodder. Maybe they drive and knock over a bunch of tuk-tuks. This is why research needs to be done in real life.
This is the creative process.
You can sit at your desk and imagine London, right? And try and plan a car chase based on the sort of tourist spots that you know about. But you need to come here at 4 o'clock in the morning, so the roads are relatively empty, and just do it. Just do the car chase. We just like found a tunnel. We could have a thing in a tunnel. One thing that I hadn't anticipated, because I've driven around London before, but it's been in the daytime when you're not doing more than 10 miles an hour because it's full of fucking everybody. So I thought, coming here at night, at least we can drive around a bit quick and have a bit of a play on the empty roads. But what I didn't know was that all of the fucking roads in central London are 20 mile an hour speed limits. There's cameras fucking everywhere. I mean, like, one thing that I'm not really thinking about is that we're driving, this is Trafalgar Square here. And if we, let's say this car chase gets filmed, can you just shut down London? I don't know how that works. There's been car chases in London before. I don't know how they do that. But that's not my problem. If I happen to write in the description of this scene, they drift through Trafalgar Square and come out on the mall or whatever, then me just writing that, which takes a few seconds, leads to a whole thing that costs lots of money that somebody actually has to organise and do. And then this could be a fun road. The thing is, the time it is now is sort of the time that the intro to the car chase takes place. I think I'm going to go left here.
Yeah.
And down there.
That's good because you'll be going down Whitehall.
Yeah. Where's the spy building?
Spy building's just down here.
Do you reckon that let's use that toilet?
Please, so we're not doing spy things. We just really have to be.
No. We're in London planning a getaway from a heist. Can we come in and use your toilet? Promise I'm not a spy. I mean, I am a spy. Can I come in and use the toilet? A lot of what you don't see in the editing of films is a lot of car chases are just satellites.
I love it down here. This is a good road.
Casper, we're back. Half 6 in the morning, just got back from London and have definitely figured out the route for the car chase. It was totally worth going there. 5.5 hour round trip. We didn't even set foot on the streets of London. Went there, figured out the car chase, came home. Now I just need to write it. It was a good way to spend the evening or morning. With these two helping me.